When a water leak threatens your home, acting fast can save you time, money, and stress. A homeowner in Dunwoody, Georgia, discovered water pooling in their garage, which was also affecting the bathroom behind it. He called Estes Services immediately. Our goal was to stop the leak, minimize damage, and guide the homeowner on the right steps to protect his house. After repairing the faulty pipe, Estes Services advised that the customer call a mitigation company to handle the water-damaged drywall, insulation, and flooring. The mitigation company used fans and dehumidifiers to prevent mold growth, a costly and serious health hazard. Even a small leak can quickly lead to significant water damage or mold growth. Quick action, professional repair, and proper mitigation are key to protecting your home. The leak was repaired the same day, and the water damage was contained. The home was then dried and made safe for plumbing maintenance, prevention, and repairs. Trust Estes Plumbing Services. Call us today to protect your home and prevent costly water damage.